Hey 5 and 6, Mrs. Wirth here. We're going to start doing something a little bit different for grammar for the next couple weeks until school is over. We're actually going to jump back in time to chapter 8. We never really got to do chapter 8, so I'm going to take the opportunity to do it now. So I thought it would be a fun little thing for us to do while we're online. Chapter 8 is about writing a research report. Now, I know that sounds horrible at this moment, but it's actually going to be about a place. So, turn with me in your grammar books to page 139. Page 139 in your grammar books. It says research report about a place. So, let's read together. In the blue box, it says, a research report gives facts about a topic. Unlike an editorial, a research report does not give the writer's opinion. It makes only statements that can be checked in a source of information, such as an encyclopedia, an article in a periodical, or a nonfiction book. Some research reports tell about people, others tell about places. Christopher wrote a research report about Gettysburg National Military Park in Pennsylvania. Notice what Christopher included in each paragraph of his report. So then you can see in each of the paragraphs he does something different. If you look at the first green box, it says that he introduces the place. So somehow in there he introduces Gettysburg National Military Park. He first starts talking about Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, and then he moves on to historical sites, and then eventually he gets himself to Military Park. Then, in the next paragraph, he tells one historical event that happened there. So he gave an event, a big-time thing that happened there. Then he tells another event in the third paragraph. In the fourth paragraph, he tells what the place is like today, so then and now. And then he restates the main idea and concludes the report in the last sentence by saying, Gettysburg National Military Park is dedicated to preserving the memory of an important part of our American history. A visit to the park can make us more thankful for the freedom God has given us in this country. So that's kind of how he concluded his. Now, looking at page 140, your research report is going to be about a place that does have historical importance, but I want it to be a place in Pennsylvania. So I want you to do a little Google search. So go into Google, and I want you to type, historical places in Pennsylvania. And I want you to send it to me, and then we'll get back together in a couple of days and online, and we will get started on our research report. So go to Google, type in historical places in Pennsylvania. Find a list of places, look into a couple of them. Maybe they're ones that you've been to or places that you've wanted to go. Either way, write a couple down, maybe like a top 3 chart, make a list of top 3 places you'd want to research that have significant historical importance in Pennsylvania, whether it's, any of the forts we have. Maybe you've been to Fort Ligonier, maybe it's Hannistown, maybe it's Bushy Run Battlefield. Those are just the places close by. But Pennsylvania is huge, and you can find so many other things about Pennsylvania and places that you'd like to visit. They can even be historical landmarks, like the Grand Canyon of Pennsylvania, things like that. So go ahead and research that. Email me upload a list of your top 3 choices. So either write them down on paper and upload that picture, or type it into a Google Doc and upload that. And then fill out the bottom of page 140 where it says, I would like to write a report about, and then you'll put your top 1 there, like out of the 3, choose 1. Things you already know on the left side of the chart, and then what you would like to know on the right side of the chart. Upload page 140, to Jupiter, and then we'll talk about it. See you soon!